po. Salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta ngayong gabi to see Rico J. Puno and Mr. Marco Season.
Welcome to Montreal.
Welcome to Montreal. Lucky kasi it's nice weather. Hope you enjoy our set. Kami po ang Addictive Remedy. Ang susunod po namin kakantain ay original po namin at ang
Story po
love story
ni Captain Barton at saka
ni Darna. Yun yung ibig sabihin po ng kanta at ang title po ay Lipat.
Gusto kong lumipad ng malayo-malayo, pag-isipan ang lahat ng nagawang kasalanan ko. Mahirap ang isara
ibang kanta po namin. Usually we're in a band, we're in a heavy rock band, pero tonight, for Rico J. Puno and Mr. Marco Season, ginawa po namin acoustic yung set namin.
Pagupit po ako para kay Rico J.
Pagupit na siya kasi long hair. Sa'yo.
Naglalakad sa piling niya, nakapikit mga mata, nakikita sa iyong mukha, pag-ibig niya, pag-ibig niya. Araw-araw hinihintay sa pagdating na bubuhay sa isip at kaluluwa, pag-ibig niya. Dumadaloy sa aking dugo, hinanakit sa puso ko, hindi mo ba nadarama pag-ibig niya? Pagmamahal sa puso ko, hindi mo nadama. Iaalay ang mundo para lamang. Pagmamahal sa puso ko, hindi mo nadama. Iaalay ang mundo para lamang sa'yo. Unti-unting binubuksan ang puso mo, walang laman sa isip at kaluluwa, pag-ibig niya. Naglalakad sa piling niya, nakapikit mga mata, nakikita sa iyong mukha, pag-ibig niya. Pagmamahal sa puso ko, hindi mo nadama. Inaalay ang mundo para lamang. Pagmamahal sa puso ko, hindi mo nadama. Inaalay ang mundo para lamang sa'yo. Kahit di man ngayon, kahit malayo ka, malapit ka, sa'yo pa rin ang pag-ibig niya sa'yo. Kahit di man ngayon, kahit malayo ka, malapit ka, sa'yo pa rin ang pag-ibig niya.
Thank you po.
And now for next time, we have the Philkin Idol Champion 2014, the Idol Division. Put your hands together to Miss Luis Umingtin.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hindi po ako anak ni Rico J. Pero dito po ako ngayon para mag-perform, and I would like to thank CPRM for giving me this opportunity, and Philcan also. So I'm gonna introduce my brother. Kapatid ko po ito, hindi ko po ito boyfriend. Single po ako. Kapatid ko po ito, at ang una namin kakantahin para sa inyong lahat ay ang kanta ni Miss Cindy Navarro. Para sa akin. I hope ma-enjoy niyo po.
Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lulungkohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin at ako iyong mahalarin,
is someone who is no longer to the Filipino community. He graduated in 1971 at Quebec Conservatory of Music and currently teaches music. Although he's Italian, his heart belongs to the Filipino community. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to the best, one of the best classic guitarists, Mr. Robert Varese. now, ladies and gentlemen, we are very proud to have here with us the Honorable Mayor, Marvin Lutman, City Councilor, Marvin Lutman.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I recognize some of you, even though I can't see you, the bright lights are in my eyes. You'll have to excuse me, my speech will be really quite short. I'm not feeling well this evening, I actually have a fever. I only came to this because it's important that somebody who has the talent of Rico Puno and who has inspired so much hope here in Montreal. People have been talking about this concert for weeks, that Neil came out to see him, and I really wanted to say hello personally to him. What Mr. Puno represents is a joy in the culture of native music in the Philippines. And he's accompanied here this evening with Marco Sison, who also has a good reputation as a musician on his own. Rico, wherever you go, people know who he is. Yesterday I went to a volleyball game, and people who were 70 years old knew who he was, and people who were 20 years old knew who he was. That's a pretty broad range, very broad range. And what people like about him is his ability to epitomize different types of music. He's taken some traditional music and he's made it relevant to our era. And people, recognize the transition that happened in that music. As well, he comes up with some compositions that are very innovative and creative, and he has managed to popularize Filipino music right around the world. And it's gone beyond the Filipino community. It's not just Filipinos who like his music, it's a lot of people in a lot of different countries who like his music. So I'd like to say it's wonderful for him to be here in our city. On behalf of my colleague Russell Copeland, who's Mayor of Cotonou NDG, and I, we were among the first to sponsor this concert. And I'd like to say how much I appreciate the work of the organizing group, and particularly the people from CPRM Radio, who worked very, very hard to make sure that this show would happen. Mr. Copeland is leaving for overseas this evening, otherwise he would have been here himself. What I would like to share with you is that recently I was in the Philippines. I did a trip to the Central Visayas. And guess whose music we heard on the radio? Nobody wants to guess? What's that? Oh, no, not Rico J. Puno. No, of course Rico J. Puno. So, we were able to ask people, what do you know about this musician? And people would tell us a lot, and that he really moved them, they admired his music. He was one of the best-known artists in the country. And I told them, I will be going to his show in Montreal on March the 8th. And they didn't believe me because they didn't realize that he actually toured in Canada as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, I won't take more of your time. You're here not for a speech, but for music. And I want to say it's a pleasure for me to be here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to spend the whole evening with you. I'm going home and I'm going to bed, not feeling well. But having said that, this is an exceptional event in the life of our city. Many of you know that Montreal and Manila actually have a friendship agreement that dates from 2004 and 2005. And we're hoping to have a surprise for you later in this year. When I was in Manila recently, I spoke to Vice Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno, and hopefully we're going to have a couple of things happening, and maybe that's going to lead to more tours like the one that Mr. Puno is doing here on Sunday.
Thank you so much once again, Honorable Marvin Lutman, Montreal City Council, representing the District of Snowden. Once again, the Canadian Pinoy Radio Montreal and the RJP Entertainment Productions would like to thank the following sponsors: PJ Restaurant and Catering Services, Fellow Jet, Graphic Arts for our gold sponsors. Unique Beauty Products for our silver sponsor. Our bronze sponsor, Honorable Marvin Ratran, Montreal City Council. Honorable Russell Copeman, Montreal City Councilor and the Borough Mayor for Coudineige and Notre Dame de Grace. Angeli Flower Shop, located at Victoria Avenue. Philcan Chess Club of Montreal. Filipino-Canadian Volleyball Association in Montreal. Order of the Knights of Rizal Montreal Chapter. And also would like to acknowledge the support of the following individuals. Ray Balansi, Ms. Flora Antonio, partner supporter of this event. Ms. Lori Mamawag Velese, supporter of this event. Team Rico and Marco crew. Feli Lumpot and Feli Lumpot Kuno. And Ms. Marida Bonkal and Aldrin Howell. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause to our friend X. We have the Addictive Remedy, Diane and Pets. We have the Philcan Idol Champion 2014, Miss Luis Omictin. And classic guitarist, we have Mr. Robert Varese.
Tired of listening to the same songs on the radio every day? Don't you wish you could find new ways to connect with other Filipinos in your community? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you've definitely come to the right place. Welcome to the Canadian Pinoy Radio Montreal, an online radio dedicated to all Filipinos around the globe. Our goal is to connect Filipinos from all over the world through the gift of music. We're bringing you the latest in music, entertainment, jobs, locals, and more. Be sure to stay tuned for the latest news and greatest music. Tune in now at www.cprmfm.com and log in through Facebook.
Yes, thank you very much. Mga kababayan namin mga tagapakinig sa Canadian Radio Montreal, malapit na. Konting intense lang po kasi meron po mga hindi maiwasan. So, ito po yung DJ na si Huey. Kung gusto niyo makinig ng mga OPM song, original Filipino music, makinig po kayo sa www.cprmfm.com. 24/7 po ang pinapatugtog namin mga Filipino kawitin. Kaya, available din po kami sa TuneIn apps, sa TuneIn Radio. hanapin niyo lang po yung CPRM. At kung gusto niyo mag-request, pwede kayo mag-text sa amin sa 514-560-0398, 514-560-0398. At kung gusto niyo mag-greet din ng inyong mga kamag-anak doon sa Pilipinas, tawag lang po kayo sa amin. At pakinggan po ninyo yung programa ko everyday, Monday to Friday, ang buhay ng Dali at Migrante. Kasama ang inyong lingkod, si DJ Yui, sa Canadian Pinoy, Radio Montreal.
Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat sa mga nandito ngayon na nagsumakse sa ating music and laughter of Rico Che Puno. Paumahin lang po namin kasi medyo mayroong problema sa biyahe ng ating mga artista. Pero andito na sila. And pasensya sa nagkaunti sa mga nalilipay na mga minuto. But bago natin ibigay sila na mag-perform dyan sa harapan ninyo, gusto na namin pasalamatan